tell you a very quick story which I feel would make a little difference in however you are seeing at things, whatever is going on in today's life. So, there were two students who passed out from a same law university, and they started working for one law firm. So both of them graduated from same university and they started working in a law firm. They started their career at the same time, and they started working there. As the time passed by, the two students were, one person was called as Harvey and the second person was called as Louis. So both of them started working together, and a year passed and it was a time for their appraisal. Mr. Harvey was promoted to the next level, but Louis was not promoted. He was in the same designation and there was no promotion for Louis. Louis was devastated. He felt really bad, and because the livelihood whatever he earned from that firm, it made him going, and it didn't take him any decision. He didn't take any decision. Now after all this, again a year passed. It was a time for second appraisal. Harvey got 10% hike, whereas Louis got just 7%. This time Louis was really he broke down. He felt why is there partiality between me and Harvey when we are working in the same place, we are graduated from the same university, but why is there always a partiality when it comes to your appraisals and hikes? This time Mr. Louis, he broke down. He felt that he should resign. Before taking the decision, he also wanted to communicate this to the management. So Louis went and he told the management, why is there always a partiality between me and Harvey? The management said, before I answer that question, Mr. Louis, I have a small task for you. Could you please do that? Louis said, why not? I'm always there for you guys. And the management said, we got one divorce case, which we are a corporate firm and we do not handle divorce cases. Can you go get a contact of any person in the market who could do this for us? Louis said, why not? And he immediately stepped out, and within some time he came back with a contact. Management said, oh, that's great, Louis, thank you so much. By the way, how much does he quote for this divorce case? Louis said, I missed asking that. I will just be back. He again left the place and he got back with a quote. Now the management asked, thank you so much, Louis. He said, yeah, they quote 10,000 to handle this case. Management said, okay. And if at all we are doing any collaboration with them in a long term, will there be any chance for price negotiation? Asked the management. Louis had no answer. Again he did the same thing. He had to step back, he had to go, and he had to get a quote. Now the management said, thank you so much, Louis, it was a great help. However, let us give the same situation to Harvey and let us see how does he react, said the management. This time Louis was also there. So they called in Harvey and they said, Harvey, this is the case. We want a person who could handle the divorce related matters for us in the town. Harvey said, okay, why not? So Harvey stepped out and he came back and he started saying, sir, there are two people in the market who will handle this particular divorce case for us. Luckily, these both are competitors. We can keep one person ahead and we can tell, because of the competition, if you do not give us at this price, I will hand over the same client to the other person. By this, we can also strike a good deal and we can also negotiate in the price, said Harvey. And he also said, sir, and one more thing, because of this, the price also will reduce, and if at all we can collaborate with this person for a long term, he will reduce his price even more. By which, if you compare to our previous quarter sales, our sales will obviously go up. We'll always end up in good profits, said Harvey. Now the management kept quiet, but Louis, he started thinking in himself. He got his answer. He got to know why Louis was promoted why Harvey was promoted and not Louis. So my friends, there is nothing called success mantra. There is nothing called as easy way to success. Hard work should be there with smart work. The same thing happens with your exams as well. When a person is getting a rank, that means he's taking some extra effort in preparing. He's taking some extra effort in referring to other books. He's taking some extra effort in making his own notes. It can be anything. So whenever there is such exams, now say for example we are under a pandemic, one of you are taking this time as a free time and you're totally relaxing. The other person is taking this an opportunity and he is stretching like anything to prepare for his next exam. So time is different. The time is same thing for all of us. But how do you look at the time is what makes the difference. A person looks it as an opportunity, he will sail through. A person looks it as a pandemic, he will stay back. So the ball is still in your court. What I tell, pull up your socks, go for it. Yeah, thank you and hope you got the gist of the story. Bye.